Find a percentage of an amount. Pause the video and have a go at example 16 and 17. Example 16. Find 15% of £240. There's lots of ways you can find 15%. I'm going to break it down into pieces or percents. So I can work out 10% very easily. 10% you divide through by 10. So 10% of 240 would be 24. 5% I know is half of 10%, so I can divide 24 by 2 to get 12. And then I know 15% is 10% plus 5%, so that's 24 plus 12, which is 36. And then it would be £36 because the question is in pounds. Example 17, find 2.5% of £300. If I was using the sort of same simple methods as before, let me just put it in here. I know that 10% would be £30. Divide 300 by 10. I know 5% would be half of that, which would be £15. And then I know 2.5% is half of 5%. So that would give me £7.50. Okay? We're going to look at another method for that. So instead of thinking of it as a percentage, well, we'll keep it as a percentage, but 2.5, we can change that to an improper fraction. So that would be 5/2 of a percent. Okay? And then if we want to change that, we can change that into a fraction. So that's a percentage at the minute, but let's see what fraction that is. So to change it into a fraction, you have to divide by 100. Or divide by 100 over 1, which is the same as multiplying by 1 over 100. If we cancel things down, we can divide the numerator and the denominator by 5. And then we work out that the numerator is 1 times 1, which is 1, and the denominator is 2 times 20, which is 40. So why do that? Well, it is obviously more awkward than this technique, but it just worked out nice that 2.5% was half of 5%. This here gets the percentage and changes it into a fraction. And now we're going to find a fraction of an amount instead of finding a percentage of an amount. And how do we find out 1/40 of 300? Well, two ways you can do it. You can simply just divide it by 40. Well, it's not simple, but you can divide 3 by 40. I would divide 3 by 10, and then divide 3 by 4. That's the same as dividing by 40. Or, what you could also do is do 1/40 of 300. Of means multiply. So we could do 1/40 multiplied by 300, or 1/40 multiplied by 300 over 1. Divide through by any common factors. I can see actually there you could divide through by 20. And 20 goes into 40 twice. 20 goes into 100 5 times. So it will go into 300 15 times. And then we're left with 15 divided by 2, which is 7.5 or £7.50, which is what we had here earlier on. So let's recap that technique. To find a percentage of an amount, if the percentage is awkward, we can actually change the percentage into a fraction and find a fraction of an amount instead of the percentage of an amount. Find a percentage of an amount using multipliers. Pause the video and have a go at examples 18 and 19. Example 18. Find 14% of 480. The multiplier method is usually reserved when you've got a calculator. It's useful, but if you don't have a calculator, it can be more complicated because actually what you're going to do is multiply by a decimal. To use multipliers, you multiply by whatever the percentage is as a decimal. 14% as a decimal, you divide by 100, and you get 14% is 0.14. And then you put that into your calculator, and that would give you £43.20. And that's it. So you change the percentage to a decimal and you multiply that decimal by the amount. Example 19, find 9% of 260. So you multiply 260 by whatever 9% is as a decimal. So divide 9 by 100 and you get 0.09. You put that in your calculator and that would give you £23.40.